I wanted to quickly go over the process of uploading documents to the discussion, which is something you'll have to do often in your courses. Most of the time this is sketches, but sometimes it's other materials that you're providing for critique or to be reviewed by your instructor. We would like PDF documents, and we'd like to see as few documents as possible when you upload. It helps things stay more organized. So we don't want you to upload multiple images to one post because it just gets confusing. I am an instructor in this course, so I might see things slightly differently than you, but for the most part, this should look the same as what you see on your screen. I've navigated to the course and also the discussion that I want to post to. So I'm at that discussion. Here's the instructions that are listed for this particular discussion, which is the visual principles sketches. I'm going to scroll down and I want to reply to this. That's the first step, is creating a new reply, which will create a thread just for you. Then we want to type in a short message. It can be something really simple, but there's potentially some information or context you want to give about your sketches. I generally wouldn't write a ton of information here, but if something is needed to be explained, you're welcome to do that. Then what you want to do is actually come up here to insert and go to document, upload document. And then you'll actually navigate on your computer to where that document is. So here's my VPA sketches. I'm going to click open and then I'll click submit. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to create a link of your sketches, which is really helpful because then we're not going to have to download the file to actually view it. So if I click post, it'll create a post and we'll look at how you can do that. The other thing you can do is use this attach function, which is at the bottom. You can actually attach a file this way, which is okay. I'll do it as well to show you the difference, but it's not the preferred way to do this because you'll notice that it forces me to download the file. So really that insert document, upload document is really the best way to do this. I'll go ahead and click post. Since this is a discussion that's already been happening, you'll notice there's a lot of posts, but I scroll down to the bottom here where you can see that. So if I click on this, you'll notice that what it does is it shows me my sketches in this window, which is ideal. This means you don't have to download files and reopen them. Sometimes if the files are large, it might take a little bit to open, but here we have it and I can review those sketches and then close them when I'm done. The other way, which I showed, which is not preferred, will actually download the file on my computer and then I have to open that in another window. So our preference is always for you to use that upload document command. But if for some reason that isn't working, you can try the attach command as well. But those are going to be good strategies and the best way for you to get documents up on these discussions. So if you're new to Canvas, hopefully this helps you and you can keep things moving along in your course so you can continue to be evaluated and graded by your instructor. I hope that helps. If you have any questions about this process or run into any problems, you can always write your instructor for further assistance.